Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can remove the Gemini logo from the photos given or generated by Gemini. So you can use any photo editing app, but in my case, I think CapCut is the best. So simply launch a CapCut if you have. If not, simply download CapCut, it's completely free. Now here you will see new video and edit photo. Go with edit photo button. Now simply select any of the photos from your file manager and you will see a page like this. As you can see that I have this Gemini logo right here. In order to remove it, there are two ways you could do it. First is simply cropping like this. But if your image does not look good when you crop it, there is another thing that you could do it. For that, you will be required CapCut Pro subscription. But here is a feature that says AI remove. So tap on AI remove and simply brush off the logo, then tap remove. Now wait for this to load, and once it has been completed, you will see the Gemini logo will be removed. So as I've mentioned before, you will require CapCut subscription because this is a paid tool. And now as you can see that the logo has been completely gone as if it were never there. If you would like to save it, tap on save here, and this is how it's done guys. Thank you for watching.